In today's digital marketing landscape, lacking accurate and timely intelligence on customers is like marketing with one hand tied behind your back. And with ever evolving privacy regulations limiting the data you can use, you're probably struggling to make a personal connection. This is why companies like Facebook, Amazon, eBay, Twitter, and hundreds more trust Digital Element's global geolocation data and services to gain insights about online users, helping them better understand and connect with them in an otherwise anonymous digital world in a privacy-sensitive manner. Digital Element's data pinpoints users' geographic location with unrivaled accuracy from just an IP address, also uncovering actionable intelligence like demographics, connection types, points of interest, mobile carrier data, and more. Companies around the world use Digital Element's IP data in a variety of ways, such as targeting advertising, localizing content, managing digital rights, enhancing analytics, reaching mobile users, and preventing fraud. See what Digital Element can help you uncover today at www.digitalelement.com/IP GeoLeader.